You okay? Was that a loud car? Roxy, stop. Roxy. And then I will walk up the leash, step on it, grab it. Blue, you gotta stop too. Thank you. Blue. And I will reel it in. Thank you. Roxy. Thank you, Blue. She's listening to everything that I say, whether it's her name or Blue's name. Thank you. Thank you, Roxy. We're not going. But Dad, let's go. See the difference? And we let it out. And she goes right back to it. There's the other thing we do. Like I said, we can reel it in. Walk up to her. Stop. I hear you, Blue. Stop. Thank you. Over here. We're not going. Blue. Roxy, stop. Blue. Let's go, please. Come on, Roxy. So now I got a distraction. Blue. That's his girlfriend's house. Roxy, stay close, please. I hear it. Reel it in more. Thank you. You're not going, Blue. I know. That's your girlfriend's house. Thank you, Roxy. Wait, thank you. Blue. We're going to go back. Ready? See how we got more movement from Roxy's head? All right, let's go back. Come on. And I can let out the leash a little bit. A lot. Because I know she's more likely to go back. And after this stress, she's more likely to go potty. Hold on, Roxy. We're not going. Stop. Come on, Blue. Roxy, let's go back. Thank you. Come here. Roxy. Thank you. Yeah, sorry, we're not going to your girlfriend. Do you want to go in? You want to cuddle? Blue? Go into my bed. Hold on. Thank you. Hold on, Roxy. Thank you, Blue. And yeah, I'm going to show him some appreciation too. He's going to want to keep coming back. But Roxy's not done. She's going to find things to keep herself calmer. Because I'm not meeting her needs either. Oh, sorry. Thank you, Roxy. Thank you. All that was just because a neighbor started his loud vehicle. Thank you. All right, I need 2 hands. Bye.